What if I told you that the reason nothing seems to work in your life right now is not because you're doing too little, but because you're trying too hard? Stay with me, because this might completely change how you see 2026. The world doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to alignment. Every time you chase success, approval, love, or certainty with anxiety in your chest, you unknowingly push it further away. Stoic philosophy teaches us a powerful truth. Life is not meant to be forced. It is meant to be lived in rhythm. The moment you stop trying to control every outcome, every timeline, and every detail, something strange happens. Resistance fades. You stop wasting energy fighting reality and start using it to strengthen yourself. Control is not about dominating life. It's about mastering your response to it. You can't control what happens, but you can always control how you think, how you act, and how you move through uncertainty. Anxiety lives in the future, regret lives in the past, but power only exists in the present moment. When you are fully present, calm, and intentional, your decisions become clearer and your actions stronger. This is why Stoics believed stillness was not weakness, but strategy. Stillness gives you clarity. It allows you to act without panic and move without fear. Perfection is another illusion that keeps people stuck. Waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, or the perfect version of yourself only delays progress. Growth doesn't come from flawless execution. It comes from consistent action taken with patience. Every small step forward, even imperfect, builds momentum. Delays are not punishments, they are preparation. Life slows you down not to stop you, but to shape you into someone who can handle what's coming next. A tree that grows too fast snaps easily, but a tree that grows deep roots survives every storm. The same is true for you. When you stop chasing outcomes and start focusing on becoming grounded, disciplined, and resilient, opportunities begin to find you. This is not luck, this is alignment. Luck is simply preparation meeting timing. The more you trust the process, the less fear controls you. Trust doesn't mean doing nothing, it means doing your best without emotional attachment to the result. You show up, you do the work, and you allow life to unfold without constantly questioning whether you're behind. FOMO disappears when you realize that what's meant for you cannot miss you. The fear of missing out only exists when you don't trust your own path. When you live by your internal values instead of external pressure, you stop reacting to chaos and start becoming the calm center within it. Your peace becomes unshakable because it no longer depends on validation, outcomes, or speed. In 2026, imagine becoming someone who doesn't rush, doesn't beg, doesn't force, but simply aligns. Someone who moves with intention, waits with confidence, and acts without fear. That version of you becomes magnetic, not because you chase life, but because you are finally ready to receive it. Everything starts working out the moment you stop fighting the flow and start trusting yourself. If this message resonated with you, make sure you like this video because it helps more people find it. Subscribe to the channel for more Stoic wisdom and mindset shifts that will transform your life. And comment below, I choose alignment over anxiety. Let's walk this path together.